Our minds fluctuate all the time. It goes through a never-ending cycle of change. We wake up in the morning happy, inspired, creative, and as we go through the day, our energy levels decline and our mental, spiritual, and physical situation change as well. Yeah, it's part of us. Yeah, as our senses experience and tackle our daily lives, then we are affected as well, and this will, of course, change the way we feel, the body, the mind, and the spirit. It's normal. Yeah. But there is one aspect or one technique we can adapt in our lives so we can lessen the fluctuation and attain a state of equilibrium. Pranayama. Pranayama goes more beyond the control of the breath. It's translated as breathing regulation, breathing exercises, but it goes beyond that. Prana means the energy, we all know that. Yeah. And ayama is the dimension of the breath, which at first is dark, closed, dormant. Yeah. And yes, there is this dimension beyond our senses. And meditation has taught me that it is a beautiful place. It's a happy place. Yeah. It allows us to break free from the bondage, the suffering, the dukkha, to the state of sukha. Yeah, happiness, ease, content. Right. And pranayama, yes. When we attain the higher potentials of the breath, this energy shall illuminate and awaken those dark spots in us. But of course, these hidden aspects of our subconscious hold trauma, guilt, doubt, fear. Now, they will manifest as well. But it has to be tackled in stages, of course. You will not go straight to the higher services of pranayama. Beginning stages, yeah, will awaken your physical potential, yeah, will increase your respiratory capacity, will make you strong, will make you healthy. Then as your inner body strengthens, then you will be ready to tackle the higher stages until the acceptance of the realities of your existence, yeah, is lighter to accept, yeah, lighter to manage. Yeah. Yes, there's no danger in doing pranayama, provided you accomplish, yeah, the preparatory techniques. Because practicing pranayama on a tight body will not bear fruit. So therefore, the body would have to be taken care of with what? Not just physical exercises, but also off the mat observances, your diet, your sleep, reduction of mental stress, those things. Not consume alcohol, yeah, not smoke, those things that hurt the body would have to be accomplished. Yeah. And then the exercises provided by Hatha Yoga, you don't have to do all of them. A few of them done daily, regularly, is more productive than doing the advanced ones and do them sparingly. Yeah. Practicality as well as, I say, sustainability is important. Then you can increase, yeah, the time you allot in the practice by adding pranayama, breathing techniques, energetic observances. And pranayama is the heart of it. Yeah. Pranayama shall allow us to really attain, yeah, deeper awareness. And this will manifest subtle sensations, yeah, from inner health, yeah, to being more aware and sensitive to the energetic forces around you. This will make your mind, yeah, focus more. Yeah. And there's something about it that really feels good. If you feel tired, sluggish, or even helpless, do 5 minutes or 10 minutes of vinyasa. If you do vinyasa or asana, then sit, and then another 10 minutes of nadi shodhana, for example, alternate nostril breathing. And then right away, yeah, your mind shall change to something which is heavy to a lighter, happy state.